morning, everyone. How are you today?
Teacher.
Fine, teacher.
Morning, teacher.
Fine,
Good
teacher.
morning,
I'm
teacher.
fine.
Did you have a good weekend? Did you have a good weekend?
Yes.
Last week?
Yes.
Last week?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good. Right. All right. So, today we're going to look at lesson 24, listening 5 and 6. Okay, you can refer to page 36 in your textbook. So the theme is health and environment. The topic is the wonders of nature. So we are still doing the wonders of nature, and the main skill is to focus on listening. Okay, so this is our listening. So I'm going to do listening 5 first. Okay, we have content standard, main skill, listening 1.2, and complementary skill, speaking 2.1. Okay, listening 5, learning standard. So listening 1.2.1 and complementary skill, speaking 2.1.1. All right, so learning objectives for today are, so you have to guess the meaning of unfamiliar words, and then you're going to elicit the 5 senses and decide the most important sense to the shark. Okay, today we're going to learn about sharks. Okay, then you're going to think of the type of words or numbers to complete the missing information in each sentence. All right. Okay, if you look at this, what can you see? Okay, look at this caption, a great white shark in its natural habitat. Where is its natural habitat? Where? Okay.
The sea.
Right. Okay, so what is your first reaction? First reaction, we look at this shark. What's your first reaction?
Surprise.
Magnificent.
Scary.
Magnificent. Okay, different reactions, yeah? Magnificent, scary. What else?
Danger.
Danger, right? You see danger, isn't it? Okay, good. What else? Okay, are they mammals or reptiles? Are they mammals or reptiles?
Mammals.
Reptile.
Are they reptiles? They are mammals, right? Mammals, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay, look at the teeth. Okay, so what type of teeth do you have?
Sharp.
Sharp.
Yes. Okay, so the first reaction is you look at that, you see danger, right? Yeah. All right. What about the size? What about the size of the shark?
Huge.
Huge.
Huge, right? It's big, isn't it? Gigantic. Now, what is this word? How to pronounce this?
Predator.
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 Okay. All right. Again. Okay, let's listen.
Predator.
Predator or predator or okay, which one? Okay, let's listen.
Predator. Predator.
All right, can you hear?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Yes.
Predator.
Okay,
Predator.
okay, can you pronounce?
Predator.
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 Okay, I
Predator.
again, I have to.
Predator. Predator.
Okay. Again,
Predator.
okay, class, pronounce again.
Predator.
Predator.
Yeah,
Predator.
okay. 1, 2, 3. Start.
Predator.
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 So what is a predator? An animal that
Predator.
naturally
Animals that others
Hunter, like an hunter.
yes, preys on others, right? Okay, such as what is their food?
Crocodile.
Okay. Then
Tiger.
tiger.
My
Okay,
cat.
fish. The fish or fishes in the sea. Okay, now let's look. Okay, I'm going to start. Oh. Okay, right. So we are going to listen. Okay, pre-listening. Okay, look at notes on the right before you listen. Now, which of the missing words will not be numbers? Okay, these are all the notes on the right. Okay. Okay, this one, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, tick the sentences which aren't or are not numbers. Okay, I want you to discuss with your partner. Okay, which one does not use numbers? Okay, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. Okay, right. Okay, I give you 1 minute to discuss which one of these sentences do not need numbers. Okay, I want you to write in the discuss. You can discuss with your partner and write in the chat. Which one do not need numbers? Look at all the answers, the sentences. So the possible answers which do not need numbers. Okay, okay, majority of you. 3 and 6. Majority 3 and 6. Okay, let's look. Okay, yes. Okay, 3 and 6. Right? Okay. Now the next one. Say what you think those words might be. Okay, for number 3, it can be a color, isn't it? Right?
yes,
Okay, can be color. 3.
Yes.
Okay, what about number 6? What about number 6? 6. It has to be what?
smell,
The thing is smell.
Hearing.
Smell is, some say hearing. The smell is a type of sense, right?
Yes.
yes,
Yes.
Smell is, how many senses we have? We have 5, isn't it? We have sight,
Sight.
taste, smell, and
Yes.
touch. Okay, which one do you think the shark needs? The most important.
Sight.
Smell.
Okay,
Smell.
right. Can you type in the chat? Okay, which one do you think is the most important? Smell. You must say smell. Okay, smell. Okay, why smell? Not sight, not hear, not taste, touch. Okay, why smell? Why do you think smell is the most important for a shark? Why? Any idea? Any idea? Why do you think smell? Not sight.
Sight because the shark doesn't see well.
Okay, good. Yeah, good guess.
For
Okay.
hearing, the
Uh-huh.
shark are sensitive for some pitching, for high pitch.
For high pitch. Okay, good general knowledge. Okay, then for
For touch in water, fish doesn't feel what they touch.
yes, okay. They don't have hands, right? They don't have fingers. Okay, good.
Yeah. And
Okay.
for taste,
Uh-huh.
the shark only tastes one thing, blood and meat.
Okay, all right. And then what about smell? Now, why you say smell?
Smell because the shark can breathe underwater. So when they when there's something like pee or human blood, fish blood, they can divide the smell and go after its prey.
Nice. Oh, okay, right. Yeah, good. Well, we are going to see afterwards. Yeah. Okay, good guess. Right, you have good general knowledge. Okay, do you know how much do you know about sharks? Have you learned about sharks, or have you seen pictures about sharks or movie about sharks?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, what movie? There's one famous, right? Movie about
Jaws.
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 Right, remember that, right? Scary, isn't it? Okay, now let's look at this one. Okay, good. Okay. All right. So sight or smell. Okay. All right. We'll find out afterwards. Okay. So we are going to listen. All right. So you're going to listen first and find out. Okay. Before you do that, okay. Now you have to underline. Okay. Look at the 6 sentences again. Underline any keywords in the sentences that you should listen out for. Okay, so number 1, so from here we know that average is the keyword, right? You're going to find how many meters, but you have to listen to the average length. Okay, number 2, what is the keyword? You want to find out about the biggest unit. Okay, so you underline the biggest, right? You have to listen to how many kilogram. Okay, number 3, which is the keyword here? So you want to, isn't it? Color, right? So now you want to know whether it is white, all white, or black, or any other color. Not all white, but mostly, right? So you want to find out about this. Okay, number 4. So the keyword here is, of course, you want to know about the teeth, isn't it? Right? How many, right? How many teeth? Okay, number 5. You want to know about the speed, but you want to know the fastest speed. Okay, how many kilometers per hour? Okay, number 6, of course, you want to know about the most important sense. So just now you say, some of you say sense of smell, some say sense of sight. Okay, so we are going to find out. Okay, are you clear with this? Okay, so any question that you get, you must underline the keywords. Okay, then you are able to find your answers faster. All right.
Listening, Unit 3, page 36, B. Great white sharks are approximately 4 to 5 meters long. However, the biggest great white ever recorded was 7 meters long and weighed about 3,200 kilograms. Despite its name, most of the body of a great white shark is grey. Great white's teeth are extremely sharp, and each shark has around 3,000 of them. They normally swim quite slowly, but they can go to 24 kilometers per hour when necessary. Sharks can't see or hear very well, but their sense of smell is extremely sensitive and important.
Okay, have you heard? Have you listened?
Yes.
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 Play again, again. Do you get the answers?
I miss
You-
one.
No, oh,
You missed one.
Miss one.
Again. Okay, you missed one. Which one? Which one? Number?
The second question.
No question. The kilogram. All right. Now let's see if we can play again.
Listening, Unit 3, page 36, B. Great white sharks are approximately 4 to 5 meters long. However, the biggest great white ever recorded was 7 meters long and weighed about 3,200 kilograms. Despite its name, most of the body of a great white shark is grey. Great white's teeth are extremely sharp, and each shark has around 3,000 of them. They normally swim quite slowly, but they can go to 24 kilometers per hour when necessary. Sharks can't see or hear very well, but their sense of smell is extremely sensitive and important.
All right. Okay. Are you okay now?
Yes.
Yes. Right. Okay, now, what is number 1?
4 to 5
5 meters.
4 to 5
4 to
meters.
5.
4 to 5. If they say 4 to 5. Okay, can you write in the chat? Number 1, okay. What's the answer? What do you think? Okay, most of you write the number, yeah? Okay, now. Right. 4 to 5. Okay, you can write 4 to 5 or you can spell it out. 4 to 5. Okay, so normally the answers you have to write within 1 and 3 words. So how many words here? This one how many?
3.
1, 2, 3. So what about this? 1, 2, 3. So you are safe, right? So you can spell it out or you can write like this, but make sure it is within 1 and 3 words. Okay, right. What about number 2? Okay. Right, 33,000. Okay. Okay. Okay, so many of you, 3,200. All right. Okay, on the dot. 3,200 or spell it out, 3,000. Okay, everyone got it right?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Yes.
Well done. Well done. Okay, number 3 now. Oh, this is easy, isn't it? I'm sure you get it right. Okay. Spelling must be correct too.
No.
Who's singing there? Adam again? No. Who was singing? Who was singing this time? Okay. 3,000? Why 3,000? We're looking at the calendar now, right? Okay, so everyone spells G-R-E-Y. Okay, let's look. Okay, good. G-R-E-Y, not G-R-A-Y. Okay, so still one word. Okay, number 4. Oh, so many teeth, yeah? Scary, right? Sharp teeth. Okay, so most of you put the answer as 3,000. 3,000 sharp. 3,000 sharp teeth. Okay, 3,000 sharp teeth. Still 2 words. But the key words will be, the key answer will be 3,000. Okay, let's look. Okay, 3,000 or spell it out, 3,000 teeth. Okay, teeth is the question actually. 3,000. Okay, 1, 2, still 2 words. Okay, number 5. Fastest speed. Is fastest speed. Okay, so most of you put the number or you can spell it out, yeah? 24. Okay, let's look. Okay, 24 or you spell it out, 24. All right, okay, well done. Okay, number 6.
Smell.
Oh, okay, let's see. Okay, now everybody confirms it is smell. Okay. All right. Okay, well done. So, did you get all the answers correct?
Yes.
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 Okay, all right, good. Good, well done. You have a good listening skill, yeah? Okay, now. So just now you just learned about the technique in blank filling listening tasks. So next time when you have a listening test or listening task to do, so this is what you do, okay? You have to listen, you have to underline the keywords or phrases. Okay, so are you clear? Any question before we move to the next one?
No.
No?
No.
All right, okay, good, well done. Okay, now we are moving to the next listening 6. Okay, so our main skill, complementary skill, right? Okay, our learning objectives are, so afterwards you are going to list down 5 tips to answer the exam task. And number 2, listen to an interview with a scientist who studies shark and fill in the missing information with the exact words or information heard. Okay, now let's look at this. Okay, you have to read the exam close up. This is the exam close up. Then think about the words which could go in each gap in the exam task. Okay, can somebody read the exam close up? Wants to read?
Me, teacher.
Okay, try.
Exam close up. Thinking about the answers first. First, it's a good idea to understand what type of information you need to complete the gaps before you listen. Second, read the words before and after each gap and try to think of the type of words or numbers which could complete the gap. Third, then listen and write the exact same words or information you hear. And lastly, in each gap, you will normally need to write between 1 and 3 words.
Okay, right, good. Okay, so now I have put into tips, yeah? Okay, number 1. Okay, I want somebody to read. Okay, these are the tips, and you want to try exam task. Okay, somebody else, can you else read? Okay, try.
Information you need to complete the gap before you listen.
Okay, that is tip number 1. Tip number 2.
So it's read the words before and after each gap.
Okay. Number 3.
Number 3, try to think of the type of words or numbers which could complete the gap.
Okay, number 4.
Number 4 is then listen and write the exact same words or information you hear.
Number 5.
Number 5 is write between 1 and 3 words in each gap.
Okay, this one might change, yeah? It can be between 1 to 5, 1 to 2, or 1 to 3. So you just have to look at the instruction, okay? All right. Now, so listen and complete the task. Now, before you listen, okay, look again at this. Okay, this will be the question. Okay, we have number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. All right, now let's listen.
Listening, Unit 3, page 36, D. You will hear an interview with a scientist who studies sharks. For each question, filling the missing information in the numbered space.
Welcome to Wildlife Watch. I'm Suzanne Cook, and on today's programme, we're talking about sharks. With me in the studio is Claire Pearson, who is a marine biologist. Thanks for coming in, Claire.
I'm happy to be here, Suzanne.
Well, Claire, many people have seen the Jaws films, and so they think of sharks as terrifying and dangerous. Are they really such horrible creatures?
Well, not really. Shark attacks on humans get a lot of publicity, but are in fact not very common. In 2008, for example, there were 59 recorded shark attacks on people, but only 4 of those people died. Sharks don't actually eat people. They prefer fat seals or dolphins. Another thing to remember is that there are actually over 360 species of shark, and only 4 of those have been known to attack humans.
Really? So why do some sharks attack people?
We think that when a shark attacks a human, it makes a mistake and identifies the person as a small mammal, like a seal or a similar animal. It is really just investigating what the person is. We think that sharks are interested in finding out information about objects in the sea, and as they don't have hands, they do this by biting the object with very sharp teeth. In most cases, sharks take one bite of a human and then swim away because they aren't interested in them. That's why most human victims of shark attacks survive.
Right. So why don't sharks eat humans when they've attacked them?
Probably because humans have got too many bones and not enough fat.
Well, you've been researching shark numbers for 20 years, Claire. Are all species of shark in danger of disappearing?
No, not at all, but many species are. Compared with the 59 shark attacks on humans that I told you about before, humans kill around 100 million sharks every year. That's an incredible number. Sharks are killed for sport, by mistake, by fishermen, or to make some expensive foods. The food industry uses methods which are also extremely cruel. This means that many species are now in danger of extinction.
That's very sad news. Let's hope things will change and shark populations will recover soon.
Yes, let's hope so.
Okay. So now do you know more information about sharks?
Yes.
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 Now you find them scary, or you find them, yeah, they also mammals that they need to survive. Okay. So what do you think? You think that we should kill them?
No.
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 Because they are also endangered species, right? Also endangered.
Yes.
Okay, now can you get all the answers? You get all the answers?
I miss one.
I missed the number 5.
Number?
5.
Number 5. Okay, the rest?
Miss number 3.
Number 2.
Oh, okay, different questions. Correct. Let's see.
Listening, Unit 3, page 36, D. You will hear an interview with the scientist who studies sharks. For each question, filling the missing information in the numbered space.
Welcome to Wildlife Watch. I'm Suzanne Cook, and on today's programme, we're talking about sharks. With me in the studio is Claire Pearson, who is a marine biologist. Thanks for coming in, Claire.
I'm happy to be here, Suzanne.
Well, Claire, many people have seen the Jaws films, and so they think of sharks as terrifying and dangerous. Are they really such horrible creatures?
Well, not really. Shark attacks on humans get a lot of publicity, but are in fact not very common. In 2008, for example, 59 recorded shark attacks on people, but only 4 of those people died. Sharks don't actually eat people. They prefer fat seals or dolphins. Another thing to remember is that there are actually over 360 species of shark, and only 4 of those have been known to attack humans.
Really? So why do some sharks attack people?
We think that when a shark attacks a human, it makes a mistake and identifies the person as a small mammal like a seal or a similar animal. It is really just investigating what the person is. We think that sharks are interested in finding out information about objects in the sea, and as they don't have hands, they do this by biting the object with very sharp teeth. In most cases, sharks take one bite of a human and then swim away because they aren't interested in them. That's why most human victims of shark attacks survive.
Right. So why don't sharks eat humans when they've attacked them?
Probably because humans have got too many bones and not enough fat.
Well, you've been researching shark numbers for 20 years, Claire. Are all species of shark in danger of disappearing?
No, not at all, but many species are. Compared with the 59 shark attacks on humans that I told you about before, humans kill around 100 million sharks every year. That's an incredible number. Sharks are killed for sport, by mistake, by fishermen, or to make some expensive foods. The food industry uses methods which are also extremely cruel. This means that many species are now in danger of extinction.
That's very sad news. Let's hope things will change and shark populations will recover soon.
Yes, let's hope so.
Okay, have you tasted shark's fin soup? Have you?
No.
No.
Okay, this is considered as exotic food, and of course, it's very expensive. Okay, all right. So try not to eat shark's fin soup as a support, okay, to whales or sharks. Yeah, to all these mammals. All right. Now, okay, we are going to look again at the tips. Yeah. Okay, which one do you think we are going to do? Which tips we are going to take? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one? To answer this time, which one is the best tip? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, which tip you are going to do afterwards? Okay, we just choose one. Okay, which one do you think?
2.
Number
2.
most of you say number 2. Okay, I think we are going to do number 3. Okay, number 3 is the best and the simplest. Okay, try to think of the type of words or numbers which could complete the gap, because you said most of the answers need numbers. Okay, numbers or words. Right? Okay, now look at this again. So this is the tip that we're going to do. Okay, now let's answer the question. Okay, what is number 1? Okay, number 1. Okay, most of you say 4. Okay, number 2. Three, 6, 0. Okay, majority say 360. Okay, number 3. Some identify some information. Okay, number 3. Everyone try to answer. If you are correct, you have got all the correct answers. That means you don't need to do again, yeah, in Google Classroom. Okay, try. Okay, number 3, most of you answered information. Okay, number 4. Yeah, many bones and less fat. Yeah. How many bones do we have, human? How many bones? You learn science?
200 and more.
Oh, okay. We have lots inside. Okay, number 5. Okay, most of you answered 100 million. 100 million. 100. 100 or 100 million? 100 or 100 million? 100 millions, okay. Right, number 6. Okay, some of you in danger, some in danger of. Okay, which one is correct? In danger of. Okay, in danger of. Okay, Adam says in danger of. Uma in danger of. Hazika in danger of. Okay, now. Okay, you want to listen again or you just want to check the answers? Want to listen again or check the answers? You think
Check
you
the
got
answers.
Check the answers.
Okay, I'm sure you're confident, right? All the answers are correct.
Listening.
Okay, So number 1, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So remember, you can spell it out or you can write like this. Yeah. Okay, number 2, correct? Got it right?
No.
Okay, I swear. But what did you put the answer? Most of people come to as well. Okay, just now let's check. Now, what is it? Number 2?
360.
You put 260. Okay, 360. Of different 360 of shark. Does that sound right? If you put 360? Okay, right? It does not sound right, isn't it? So next time you write the answer in the blank and then you read again, okay? Does it sound right? Okay. Of different species of shark. All right. So how many of you got number 2 correct? Okay, how many of you got number 2 wrong? Raise hand.
Me.
Raise hand, raise hand. I want to see how many. Okay. Number 2, number 2 is the probably, is it difficult? No, it's not difficult, just tricky. Okay, number 3, correct? Information, everyone?
Yes.
Yes. Number 2, most of it. Number 4, correct?
Yes.
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 Number 5, correct? 100 million.
Yes.
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 100, 100 is wrong, because I saw just now with the 100 million, correct? Okay, this one. Yeah. In danger of, not in danger. In danger is wrong. In danger. Okay, well done. How many of you got 5 over 6? 5 over 6. Anybody got 6 over 6? Anyone? No, okay, because of the question number 2, So I think most of you got 5 over 6. Okay, right. So that's the end. Okay. All right, aren't you pleased that we have half an hour left? Okay, all right. Okay, let's take a photo. Okay, so we end our lesson. Don't forget to continue doing your grammar and vocab and turn in. All right, okay. So thank you very much, class. Bye.
Thank you,
Teacher.
teacher.
Thank you, teacher. Bye. Bye,
Thank you,
teacher.
teacher.
Thank you,
Teacher.
teacher.
Thank you,
Okay, bye.
teacher.
Bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Bye, Adam.
Teacher.
Okay, bye.